Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on solving worded problems. One of the main reasons we learn all the basic operations and the calculations attached to them is that we can use them to solve problems. Problem solving is a higher order skill, and we must all try hard to be very good at solving problems. Example 1. There were 3 rows of tomato plants. Each row had 5 plants. What was the total number of plants? So here's the solution. So here are the 3 rows of plants. That's what the 3 represents. The 5 represents 5 plants in each row. So if we know our times tables well, 3 5s are 15. Example 2. There are 12 marbles in a box. So that box there contains 12 marbles. How many marbles in 6 boxes? The 12 represents the 12 marbles in each box. The 6 represents the 6 boxes. So 12 multiplied by 6. 6 2s are 12. Put down the 2 and there's one lot of 10. 6 1s are 6 plus 1 is 7. Or you can just go 6 12s are 72. It just depends how well you know your tables. And I really hope you know them very well. Example 3. A farmer had a large poultry farm with 7 separate chook yards. If he had 96 chooks in each yard, how many chooks did he have altogether? So there is one chook yard here. And in that chook yard there are 96 chooks, but he had 7 of those yards. So the solution, that represents the 96 chooks in each yard. That represents the 7 yards. So 7 times 96. 7 6s are 42. There's the 2 and there's the 4 10s. 7 9s are 63. Plus 4 is 67. 672 chooks. A school had an average of 168 students in 6 grades. How many students attend the school? So that's the average number per grade, and we have 6 grades. 6 8s are 48, there's the 8 and the 4 10s. 6 6s are 36, plus 4 is 40, there's the 0 and there's the 4. 6 1s are 6, plus 4 is 10. So we have 1008 students. Example 5. The 8 football matches on a particular weekend attracted an average of 2,576 spectators for each match. What was the total attendance for all matches? So here is the average per match, and here we have the 8 separate matches. 8 6s are 48, there's the 8 and 4 10s. 8 7s are 56. Plus 4 is 60, there's the 0, and there's the 6 hundreds. 8 5s are 40, plus 6 is 46, there's the 6, and there's the 4,000th. 8 2s are 16, plus 4 is 20. So there were 20,608 spectators. And this is just a multiplication sum in its own right. It doesn't refer to any problem. 7 9s are 63, there's our 3, and there's the 6 10s. 7 times 0 is 0, plus 6 is 6. 7 times 0 is 0, and 7 8s are 56. So we have 56,063. So you can see how a knowledge of table is so important, and it makes our job a lot easier.